Hello, good morning, dear my students. Today we are going to the topic that explain the Hindu newspaper. Important by the civil service examination and current affair cover this newspaper. First, Estlin take by charge of rolls out at this 2.07 crore poor and this the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. This news is the importance related to civil service examination and Karnataka High Court judiciary by in ordering by the Oxygen Supreme Court. Any types of related to the Supreme Court and High Court related to the matter important for the civil service examination due to by this paper 2 mains and optional paper any types of students political science so related to the very important topics. And then when we means the business Supreme Court to center to on Delhi quota. This is the important by this civil service news due to demand for the Delhi High Court 7,700 empty oxygens every day in provide the central government because central government is not provide then after Delhi High Court asking for you in the Supreme Court and government due to this news is important related to this society and welfare. And then second wave of the declaring by third can be prevented by scientists. This news is not important related to the civil service examinations. And then half by hospital bills led to rose in the dens. Finance minister not be for lockdown. Sen City vaccine wave citizens complain by Galit in government portals. Many times by social media platform, mobile app, friend to NCR to book a lot. NCR COVID vaccine related to increase the website and Ayogya Setu app registration and then after you can near located you can take vaccines related to this COVID-19 safety. And then this news is not related to the civil service examinations. And then lockdown 2021 less strained by then last year. This news is not related to the civil service examination. And then 105 modern oxygen container by size from the city in price such on the hours. And then two arrested by block marketing to Rameswari vaccinations and then ensured by food security to Margant Delhi which NGO warrant to Chief Minister. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said that in Delhi, migrant people can provide this food three times. And then High Court seek by government response on Till 3 Minerals Day in the shelter homes. Notice sent to be Center Delhi government position to vaccination board student. High Court to total class 10th examination cancel, class 12 postponed. Delhi High Court said that Delhi High Court Friday an issue to related to this examination and class 10th and class 12th. 10th class the exam has cancelled but 12th class is postponed. Because next COVID-19 right now increase in the country and then after difficult situation so ensure all eligible by people into Delhi get job in next 3 months. And then now that we capital received by oxygen No one should be sufficient due to the shortage, Kejriwal tells officers. An officer due to Delhi kept 577 empty oxygen against by the demand of the 776 empty. That's why the CM Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal demand oxygen in the central government 976 MT, but Delhi gets by the 577. This is not provide, but central government and state government. Delhi control this state central government, but I need the 976 demand for oxygen. But government, central government give the 577 empty oxygen. But for need full not fill this oxygen. And some people is dead without oxygen in the New Delhi. But Delhi zero sent by simplify animals in the tested. 6 liquid oxygen plant to be set by in the Gurugram. Bengal post poll violence continue and this BJP MLA to boycott by presidencing of the state assembly. This news is not important by the civil service examination. UP Panchayat poll by market by the 10 murders. This is not related to the civil service examination. And then digitally divided into cube vaccine access. In Telangana survey, urban book or slot by the rural PHCNs will village can't by register since smartphones. And then after 2 week lockdown for May 10 in Karnataka. Recently 2 week lockdown in the Karnataka and then West news Maharashtra COVID-19 toll news in the 7500. This news is COVID-19 related to this. Encouraged by this, BJP caution move the redevelop MLA for hostel at the time to Corona. And then fire brigades out to ND studio no casualties. Invited LPG Kermaticians. It is the High Court to take news by reported about the people wearing by net blow in the chain. And editorial. It is a very important in the civil service examination. You have to seriously read this and you can explain it. What do you understand? What do you not understand? But civil service in the essay, writing practice, concept clear, it is a very important this editorial. If you can seriously read the everyday editorial, then after your civil service examination and the improvement. So I explain the first patent protection of the drop. First, would you like to say that, dear student, written by Dr. K. Sarnath Reddy and related to the Dr. Professor K. Srinath Reddy, a cardiologist and the epidemiologist in President Public Health Foundation of the India. The view of the experience the personal. K. Srinath Reddy, personal view. You want to say that United States support by patent where in the COVID fight has pot- potential to burning too much needed to global health equality and related to the vaccine. And then it is a very important this editorial. Now the decision to President of the United States Joe Biden to support the Indian South Africa proposal seeking by the whenever the patent COVID-19 related to the short-term global health proposal that are placed before the World Trade Organization has been the facing resistance from several high-income countries including by the United States administration. A change of the America position supporting by the temporary wherever by could not act capitalist by this building ensure by in favor of the debt proposal when they come by for further consideration of the World Health World World Trade Organization of the June. However, the path ahead by this not clear. Will finance and Russia have declared by the support. Germany has West in the opposition. So this paragraph said that dear my student Biden, American president said that Biden, a South Africa proposal by the seeking will patent protection the technology and the COVID-19 global health proposal by the place it is the for World Trade Organization has been by resistance several highlight to income the including by the United States administration in control the World Trade Organization. Then after America proposal by the supporting temporary wherever by could not be culture welding and secure by this consideration of the World Trade Organization. June 4 started clear in finance Russia, Japan, Germany, etc. Next, dear my student, predicated able by response by this proposal was divided into during the earlier debate on this World Trade Organization. Will many low and middle by income countries by supported into the not assistance come to the US, United States, the United Kingdom, the European Union, Switzerland, Australia, and the Japan. A stranger by addition to this, the group were Norway, which usually supported interactive by that promoted by global health inequality. On this ocean to choice to the shelter patent by right. Since the World Trade Organization's operation by the consumer rather than the voting, two proposal did not by advance, defeated by a drawing by supported over 60 countries. This paragraph said that 60 countries and they said that World Trade Organization it is a very important by the global health system. Health system it is some countries name this are United States, United Kingdom, Australia and the Japan. It is a very important by this organization the health system and global so advanced to drawing by the supported 60 countries and then predicted by the pharma industry by the fairly by operation to be labeled by many government right to political group. Always right political group. It is a good direction and health World Health Organization and the global development in the right decision. In the high income by countries allied to the industry. Microsoft co-founder of the Bill Gates, Bill Gates, extended by this opposition by the private vendor and vaccine just now the fiber drawing by the former public health community to extend by the was not great variance from the project imaging to miss by this global health. It approved by this right to the would not drugishly due to founded even they faced by the every advertising pandemic. Dear my student, this paragraph said that you know that right to politically group and then income country by the slide industry. Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates opportunity by the patent by the web the vaccination by justice drawing by the from public health community related to this vaccination of the projector and this health globalization safety to the industry and provide this vaccination. Next, hello regions. Many species regions, however, to freedom freed for such a difference. It was the agreed by this capacity from producing vaccination of good quality and the safety of the limitation to some level. It is not that we would like to has reduced due to permitted by manufacturer in this law of the medical income country pay with the technology they cannot be handled and this as make by hydrolysis when medically by infrastructure can be recepting by the about the connecting industry of the country to manufacture and patent by project by vaccine of this globalization market. The law level by cost country or job observation by the alternative that the confidence equality to not be separate their problem in this high along to this patent to profit and the protection. This paragraph said that a private industry was provide a capacity the vaccination and vaccination limit the provide this patent and manufacturing low and high then after manufacturing the responsibility the each industry and provide a country manufacturing the hard and did patent protection by vaccination global market and provide the each hospitals and then market at low level and countries attracted by this confidence quality of the safety and their product by the how along by patent related to this safety the World Health Organization and the global health system and increase the amazing dispute and can be seen every multinational firm on the subcoordinated by manufacturers related to the patent to protected and the industry by the production costed by the developing by the countries due to by having through this related to the political and luxurious goods related to this pandemic and then the counter was not be pending welfare of the rather license manufacturing the developing by country will be the turning by patent right to restart the opportunity to production to it is the chosen few of the term by just agreement by the oppositions and they no assurance by equality of the accuracy produced by situation and the country and COVID related to this developing the World Health Organizations and the global health system and then China line safe goods and building by not Biden Gates. You can read this paragraph and explain you next. Rent issue by related to the ignored by COVID stage point. Ground zero related to the struggle of the health sector and then Karnataka, Bangalore, news related to the dear students. Post polity survey, Hindu consolidation by the pay of the BJP, CAA NRC, a vote by mixed estimate. News related to vaccination about Wi-Fi using PM Care Fund of the cost mode. World news, international news. It is a very important by the today international news. The nation by the critically environment to intensive care to talk about the nuclear. That news is important related to the civil service, and then that news. Thank you.